Good morning, guys. How you doing? We made it to Friday. So this is a good video update. We've got a lot of trades that are sitting in the profit. We've got some trades that are not sitting in the profit too. So I want to do like an account overview today and just show you guys where we're at. So let's start with this. I want to rewind a lot. So we've got trades open on literally like 12 of these coins that you guys can see over here. We've got trades open on a lot of these coins. I'm going to come over on portfolios. Our default portfolio break even is 150,000. Okay, we're currently sitting at 65,000. We still have the healthiest account in the bear market we can find. That's awesome, great. We all know that, okay? Those trades are currently in drawdown, but what we ended up doing is we ended up injecting some more money in the market. I thought, you know what? Since we're this low, everybody gets paid every week or bi-weekly. Even if you had $10 in the market to follow us, we need to start making some of this money back. Okay. And again, some of you guys might not have any money. You may have lost it all. I'm really sorry about that. And that's no fun. If you happen to have more money you could put into the market, I'm going to start trading this just so we can start making some money back, because I don't want to just sit on the sidelines, seeing the account just go down further. There's money to be made here, and so I just want to take advantage of that. Okay, so based off that, we ended up injecting that $10,000, and then we ended up calling out 4 trades in the inner circle, and this was last Thursday. So those 4 trades were Bitcoin, Ethereum, ADA, and Mana. Bitcoin's currently sitting up 3.56%. Ethereum is currently up 13.05%, and then we've got ADA sitting up 6.13%, and Mana is up almost 12% here at 11.93%. I will be looking to call exits on these pretty soon because we're at some very strong resistances. We'll be taking that profit, and then we'll be getting back into some more scalping trades on this channel. It's going to be a lot of fun. Speaking of scalping trades, Solana did just win. So we had an entry over here, and this was at about 43.85, and then we had a buy limit that got hit because the market did not go in our favor immediately on this, just to be honest. That's why we use this good risk management. It did go down. It hit our first buy limit. It immediately dropped our break-even entry down here to 38.08, and then we crescented over the 4% mark just yesterday, which put us at, congratulations everyone, 36% profit pulled from the market with our scalping strategy since May 18th, which has been awesome. I will be calling more scalping trades out for everybody, for our members, so you guys can take advantage of that. Just so you guys know, in order to become a member with us, in order to get those trade calls, you guys can come over here to tradeconfident.io. You guys are looking at $95 a month, and we'll give you access to all that, the metrics that I'll go over a little bit today, Telegram channel, inside tips, and live chat with me every single month on Zoom. Okay. Let's transition real quick and let's talk about a video I did yesterday. We're currently sitting at 123 wins and 1 loss. So yesterday I talked about what it would look like to transfer funds from Coinbase Pro over to Coinbase Advanced Trading. A lot of mixed reviews in the comments. Some people angry about some things. I want to help clear this up, guys. I had a feeling it was going to trigger some emotions in some people, so I want to just clear this up. What we're going to do is this. So everybody please listen here. What we're going to end up doing is taking our default, I keep saying default. It's definitely a default portfolio. We're going to take our default portfolio, and what we're going to do, since we've already hit basically 4 buy limits on all of these, and the main part of that video, guys, as far as rebalancing, was to really just help a lot of you guys out. If you have a bunch of buy limits out there, you can just go to cash and then rebalance from where you're at. It was to help you guys out. We're going to take all the coins that we're currently in and just transfer the funds straight over to the advanced trading on Coinbase. And I'll let you guys know how I do that. So all the break-evens will stay the same. All of the entries will stay the same. So we're not going to sell anything. We're just going to transfer everything over. Because I may not have done a good job in yesterday's video because some people were thinking we're going to close all these trades and we're going to sell them all. Guys, we can just transfer everything over. It's just people who have a ton of buy limits. It was just a really easy solution for you guys. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this account and we're literally just going to withdraw it over to Coinbase. And I'll do a video on that eventually, show you how to do that. And we're going to go over to the new platform, which is Coinbase Advanced Trading, which Coinbase Pro is going to be sunsetting till the end of the year. Okay, so Coinbase Pro is actually going to be going away. All right, so you guys want to make sure you migrate your funds over to the advanced trade, and I'll show you guys how to do that. So we're going to keep that where it's at, and then once we're probably going to close these trades soon, and then we're just going to pull these accounts over as well. So we're just going to keep everything the way it is. So we're not going to close any trades. We're going to keep it really, really simple. But if you guys want to rebalance, you can watch that video of how to do that if you want to keep it simpler for your buy limits. But since we pretty much hit all of our buy limits on all these coins, it's going to be pretty easy for us. It's just for other people who are new to the channel who have 30 to 40 buy limits open. That was an option that you guys could have. All right. Let's move over here. Let's give ourselves a prediction of what's going to happen in the market here soon. So we were looking at the zone here of 380 and 385 the other day for a potential move back down because this was correlated to a lot of resistance here, and we're looking at resistance on this side. All right, trend exhaustion is coming up to the higher section here, and well money flow is moving up as well. I do think this market is due for somewhat of a drop back down. We had a gap up this morning, so this is showing that there's good bullish momentum in the market, but we're sitting at these resistances now. Let's go over to Bitcoin here for a second. We are coming up close to this resistance here on Bitcoin, and if you guys go over to Ethereum, we're close to this resistance as well and actually pushing past it a little bit. Coming up here looking at ADA, again, there's a resistance here, and again on Mana, there are some resistances right there. So I am probably going to be looking to call an exit on these 4 trades either today or tomorrow based off if I can see some negative signs in the market or maybe some really positive bullish signs. I want to kind of see how the market reacts to these resistances today and then make a decision on that. And again, it may be soon today. Just follow me in Telegram and I'll call them out for you guys. And then once those are exited, I'll call out for all of our members the new trades we're getting into, and we'll do this again and we'll make some more money here because that's been pretty awesome. I think we're up $221 on those trades right now out of 10,000, so that's been pretty cool. Okay, now let's go over here. Let's talk about this. Let's take a look at the charts this morning for Bitcoin. So if you guys go to charts, then let's take a look at this. So currently we're actually pushing down greater into this area where we saw this yesterday. This is going to update it at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time every morning, so make sure you guys do check this out. We are seeing that Bitcoin is pushing down close to this about 60 to 65% chance of a move back up. Let's come back over here. Let's go to Bitcoin. When we're looking at these moves down here, this did have a chance of a move back up, and that's what we ended up getting. So it's holding true, and I like that. Long trade volume is still far surpassing short trades over here for Bitcoin on the Bitfinex exchange. So this is still bullish in my opinion. Let's take a quick look at Ethereum over here to kind of give us the big boys and what they're doing. So let's scroll down here to Ethereum. Everything is in alphabetical order that you guys can view here. So yesterday, we also saw this as well. At this lower level, we were looking for about, it wasn't a super high chance, guys. If you guys want the best signals in here, you're looking for this 90 to 100 and pushing down between 80 to 90, anything between 80 to 100%. This is where we're really looking for reversals back in the market, and we're going to be using these to scalp the market for 4% over and over and over again. It's partly what we've been doing with the scalping strategy, where we've gone 36% since April 18th. Excuse me. Yeah, no, May 18th, we did 36%. So we're using that. Overall today, it's looking like a great chance of moving up. And so I want you guys to just be watching these charts every day, because today when they come out, because Bitcoin has gone up here, I do think we're going to start seeing this shift probably back to break even here, because we are at some really strong resistances. And if we do start pushing higher, I wouldn't doubt if our metrics over here, which actually looks at behavior in the market from the past, let me get back up to the Bitcoin, will probably start pushing us back up, looking into a potential drop back down. The percentages will probably going to shift here as we move back up. Let me explain this indicator real quick, and we'll end this video because I want to show you guys what you're getting with this membership. This metric and indicator right here, it is literally tracking the behavior of price action when it has reached certain levels in a trend. And it says, okay, this amount of move up here and the price move back down. It actually takes that into consideration and says, okay, the algorithm understands that that's where the price dropped, and then it reversed here. So it's taking that data. It's taking past data as well as the live data, and it's trying to find the areas where Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all of our coins have the greatest chance of reversing based off past human behavior of trading. It's really kind of intriguing, and that's why this is better than any of our other metrics we had before of calling the bottoms and calling reversals in the market. This was a huge wick down that ended up calling this reversal, and this one right here calling this as well as the drop up here. So we're going to be using this a lot to actually get into some more scalping trades. And something that's excited me lately, and I think you guys have been getting excited about, is these scalping trades in here, where we're starting to see the market turn around a little bit, and we're starting to actually gain some money back. And even, like I said, guys, even if it's $10, like, if you've got something, you can put something in the market and start trading with us here, because I'm going to start looking for more trades like this once we close these, and we're going to start doing this over and over and over and over again. That's what I really want to start doing on here, is start taking advantage of the market being so low and start getting in and out and scalping this market time and time again so we can make some of this money back. I don't want to sit on the sidelines and just be frustrated all the whole time of, a lot of money was lost and we can't get it back. I don't want to do that. I want to just be proactive in this market and say, look, what happened. And it honestly is super rough for a lot of people. And I sympathize with you guys. But as the market's low right now, Like, we got to start making money back. It's either we sit in our closets and we're frustrated and, oh, boo-hoo, like this is terrible. And I get that. And it is. It's all of that. It's all of that. I just want to start helping us make some money back so we can start like making some of the money that we've lost, that all of us have lost in this bear market. Let's start making this back. And we're starting to do that with these 4 trades here that are doing pretty good this morning. And, thankfully we're up like over $200 on this. So that's pretty cool. All right, guys, have a good one. The indicators are in the description. If you guys would like to trade with those, we're going to be using those to call exits, and I'll be coming out with more video updates on that for you guys, as well as in the inside tips. You guys can access these. These are sitting over here. They're currently at 82% discount. They're a lifetime access, one-time payment. You guys get all 9 of the indicators, as well as the 3 that I use every single day. And I will be calling out more scalping trades for you guys as members in the inside tips. So make sure you're subscribed. You'll get access to all that. And I will be posting everything in Telegram when I call out an entry, as well as when we call out exits. They're all going to be posted in the Telegram once you guys have your membership. So snag this. We're going to try to make some more profits this week because we have that Solana trade closed. We're going to try to make some profit on all 4 of these trades probably today or tomorrow. And I'll see you guys in the next video. God bless you guys. Have a good one, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.